Knock, knock. Who's there? Me. It can't be me, 'cause I'm me. No, you're you. Then who's me? Me. You're welcome.
Today. So today I put these 2 buckets on top of the middle one because I know Jeremy has to run to Costco, refill up with propane and stuff. So I want to be able to empty it, both these pans, into the middle one when the time comes. Windy today. That's everything I collected yesterday. I didn't go back out last night like I said I would. We just kind of got caught up doing this, finishing it, and then went in and made supper. So I will go out now, or as soon as I eat, I'll go out and I'll check it and hopefully bring back a few more gallons. I have it really stoked in there today because yesterday when Jeremy came out, he like loaded it with wood and I didn't realize I could put so much in at once. So today I'm gonna boil it hopefully faster. Sam and I are gonna go collect sap from the trees now. Good helper. So we just got back from collecting the sap and we collected probably another 7 gallons. So with the 13 that I had collected yesterday that we hadn't boiled, we have about 20. So I have the 13 on there boiling right now, and it's boiling down really good actually because I really stoked the fire today. So I'll throw this last 7 on there and get it all boiled up. It's still gonna take a long time, but we're getting at it a lot earlier today. I think it's only, I don't know, 10:30, 11 o'clock now. And I've collected. I will have to go out again later today because it's going to be nice and sunny, but there wasn't that much today. Like I said, only about 7 gallons from 40 trees, so that's really not a lot. I will go out later on though and check it again once the sun really hits that area. It should start flowing better. I'm running low on wood here, so I gotta go collect some more. this middle one is the only one left with sap. Those two are just water now. So that's all I have left is that little bit of sap, and it's about 4 o'clock now in the afternoon. But that's it, that's all that's left is that little bit there. Jeremy had to run to Costco, so I kind of got to do this on my own today. See how I make out. So I bought fresh tea towels to use for straining, so that's what we're using. Does a good job, but the sap's already cooling down because it's so windy out. So I'm struggling to get it all out here. Oh my goodness, seriously windy. All right, so it's all done. I'm gonna pour it from this one into this one and then dump it into the jars. Just because I haven't done it, Jeremy usually does it, and I don't wanna spill it everywhere. And these have a nice lip for pouring. Let's do a little bit at a time. Well, first one done. Kind of made a mess underneath it.
I got a card in the mail from my Nana, and this is a box from somebody else. I can't wait to see what's inside. Ooh!
Nice card. Oh, wow.
It says Happy Easter.
Oh my soul. Treats. Oh.
Christmas decoration. Hello.
Hey.
I'm a unicorn. Ooh, stickers. Ooh. Ooh. All kinds of things.
Let's go check the trail cam. Gotta put a little air in those tires. Well, that's about all we got on there right now. It's a beauty of a day today though, another nice one, so that's good. We're gonna send out the maple syrup to Uncle Daryl today for the 30,000 subscriber. He won it. That's being sent out today. We meant to send it last week and forgot, so I had to wait through the weekend. And well, yesterday I forgot again, so here we go. We're gonna send that out, so expect that in the mail here soon. Thanks to Ellen, Sam's super happy about all that. Thanks to Mr. Apparel, he sent us a few DVDs, so thanks to that, we're gonna watch those. And thanks to everybody else for watching along. Hoping to get a little more action here on the trail cam here soon, but for now I'm just gonna head back to the house and maybe get something to eat.